Hello students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to my presentation. Now in my previous presentation, you all have studied about gender. Okay, so before starting that, here one quotation is there for you. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Students, you all are the futures of this world. So, education is most powerful weapon. So, every person, every student should be well educated. Day to day, we should gain more and more knowledge so that we can change the world. So, today we will learn about chapter 5, that is numbers, in which comes singular and plural nouns. Now, in this chapter, the various contents are as Unit 1 is singular noun, means we'll learn about singular noun. Unit 2 is plural noun, and Unit 3 is making plural noun, means we will learn various rules how we will make singular into plural nouns. So proceeding further, so the number 1 is, that is unit 1 is singular noun. So what is singular noun? A singular noun is a noun which denotes only one thing, place, person or one idea. Singular nouns are used in the sentences to indicate only one person, place, things or idea. Means singular noun, basically it denotes a noun which we are talking about one person, one thing, one place or one idea. Now we'll see example. First example is a boy was playing football in the ground. We will see the image. Here the boy is playing football in the ground. How many boys there? Only one boy is there. So where one we are denoting means which type of noun it is? Singular noun. As boy is a noun. Okay. Which type of noun is? It is singular noun because one boy is there who's playing football in the ground. More examples we'll see. There was a decorated horse ready to run in the race. So here horse is highlighted. So how many horses is there? In the sentence only one horse is there. That's why this come in singular noun. The next we'll see, my cat is hungry and tired. So how many cat is there? In the image we'll see one cat. See, my cat is hungry and very tired. So in the image how many cat you can see? One cat. So that's why the cat comes in which noun? Singular noun. Next is I do watering a plant daily. I here, okay, and watering a plant daily. So plant, how many plant is there? One plant is there, okay, and I means one person, talking about one person. So that's why both are singular nouns. Now there is only one window in that house. Okay, so that house contain only one window. Okay, so one is there, that's why window comes in singular noun. A cat was running after a rat. So here also one cat is running after a rat. So the cat comes in singular noun. There was a mouse seeing out of the hole. How many mouse are seeing out of the hole? Only one mouse is seeing. Okay, that's why where one is there, we will denote that in singular noun. Proceeding further, the next type it is plural noun. So what is plural noun? We have learned about singular noun. Now we will learn about plural noun. So here it is. Plural nouns are words used to indicate that there is more than one person, animal, place, thing or idea. Means when one was there, it denotes singular noun. Where more than one is there, means two or more is there, that will denote plural noun. Now we'll see the example. The boys were playing football. Now in singular noun, one boy was only playing football. Here the boys is there. Okay, s is added in the at the last in the boys. After y, s is added. That is plural form. Okay, means so many boys are there. Now you see in the picture, so many boys are playing football. So boys comes in plural noun. Next we will see, my brothers are going to Mumbai. More than two brothers also, or more than two brothers also it can be. So brothers are there. So that's why brothers come in plural noun. You stole my ideas and didn't give me any credit. Now here ideas are there. So many ideas. Suppose you are making project, okay? You're having ideas, you'll use glitter pen, you'll use stickers, you will use this one. So many things you will innovate in your project. So it is your ideas, what all you will do. So in this, ideas denotes more than one ideas. That's why it comes in plural noun. The next is, Lisa bought pencils from the stationery shop. How many pencils are there? More than one pencil. Okay, that's why pencils is there. So pencils comes in plural noun. There are many big cities in India. When one it is talking, we pronounce it city. When more than one it is there, cities. So there are many big cities in India. Myra bought 2 bags from the market. Okay, so Myra bought how many bags? She bought 2 bags. Now we'll see in the image, Myra is carrying how many bags? 2 bags. Okay, so more than one is there. So bags means 2 bags, which will come in plural noun. So all the highlighted underlined words are coming in plural noun. So when we denote one noun, that is comes in singular noun. When we denote more than 2 nouns, that comes in plural nouns. Now in the next slides we will understand about some rules about making plurals. Means how we will make singular to plural forms. Here number 1 rule is, most nouns can be made plural by adding s. Okay, so we'll see one by one the example. Here boy is there. So boy is, we are talking about one boy. So we have to make in plural form. Boy is singular form. We will make into plural form. We will add s at the last. So here boys, boys. That is plural form of boy. Girl is there. We will add s at the last. That is girls. Come in plural form. Parent, we will add s at the last. That is parents. Suitcase, we will add s at the last. That is suitcases. Now in the image you see, up you see boy is there, one boy, and this side one girl is there. We added s, means one more boy is standing. Okay, and here one more girl is standing. Now how many boys are there? 2. So more than 1. So it made plural form. So 2 boys are there. Same way the 2 girls are also there. So s is added. So the girl plural form is girls by adding s at the last. Boy plural form is boys by adding s at the last. Now second rule we'll see. For the nouns that end in s, double s, sh, ch or x, we add es to singular to get their plural form. Now we will understand by the example. Now in the rule it is given s. So I have highlighted the word with yellow color and red color. See in the bus, s is at the last. Second one, sh is at the last. Third, dress, double S is at the last. And next is box, that is X is at the last. And church, CH is at the last. So the word ending with these all letters, what we will add? We will add ES to the singular form. Means bus is there, we will add ES. Buses. Brush is there, we will add ES. Brushes. Dress is there, we will add ES. Dresses. Box is there, we will add ES. Boxes. Church is there, we will add ES. Churches. So this was the second rule. Now here also in the image it is given, for the word ending with CH, S, SH or X, add ES. The same thing it is mentioned in the image also. Now the third rule is there. For the nouns that end in O, we add ES to get their plural forms. Now we will understand with the following example. The word ending with O. So here mango is there. Okay. At the last word, which letter is there? O. So where O is ending the word, we will add ES to the word to make plural form. So mango is there, we will add ES, mangoes. Hero is there, O is at the last, we will add ES, heroes. Potato is there, we will add ES at the last, potatoes. Mosquito is there, we will add ES in the last, that is mosquitoes. So this were the third rule. Okay, proceeding to the, in the image also it is given, where O is there, heroes is there, domino is there, dominoes is there, tomato is there, we have added ES, tomatoes is there, potato is there, potatoes is there. So in this image also it's describing the third rule, means the word ending with O, we can change the plural form by adding ES in the last. Proceeding further, the next rule, that is fourth rule. For the noun that end in F or FE, we add VES. Okay. So the word ending with F and FE, what we will add? VES. We will understand with the example. Now here half is there. Okay. At the spelling you see HALF. F is at the last. So what we have done? We have removed F and added VES. So we will remove F and we will add VES. Wife is there, means FE is at the last. We will replace FE. Instead of FE, what we will write? VES. So wife plural form is wives. Okay. Knife is there. Again FE is coming. We will remove FE and we will add VES. So knife plural form is knives. Singular form is knife. Plural form is knives. So here in the image also it is describing the plural noun ending in F and FE. First is calf. F is there. We will remove F. We will add VES. Calves is there. Half is there. Halves is there. So where F and FE word will be there, what we will do? We will remove F and FE. Instead of that, we will put VES to make plural form. Next rule is noun that end with consonant Y, we make plural by adding IES. Okay, we'll see the example. Country. See, at the last of the word noun, country is a noun. Okay, so what it is added? Y, means Y is there. So we will remove Y and what will put instead of that? IES. Countries. Countries is the plural form of country. Candy is there. Y is there. We will remove Y and what will put? IES. Candies. Ladies there. Y. See, I have highlighted all the Y with red color and replaced also IES. That also is mentioned in red color. So lady, the plural will be ladies. Baby, babies. So this was the fifth rule. So in the image also you see, if the word ends in Y and there is consonant before it, what will do? Jelly is there. Okay. JELLY. So we'll take out off the Y and we will change I and add es, means we will add ies. So the spelling will be jellies, jellies. So jelly is singular form, jellies is plural form. Sixth rule is, for the noun that end in vowel before y, we add s. Now you see in the example, monkey is there. Here also at the last letter is what? Y. But before y we will see. See, yellow color is the last letter. I have highlighted. Before that, E is also highlighted. E is what? It is a vowel. Okay. A, E, I, O, U. All are vowels. Okay. So E is vowel. So we'll see before Y which alphabet is there. If vowel is there, we will not do any changes. Only we will add S in the last. So monkey is there. Before Y, E is there. So we'll add in plural form S. Monkeys. Boy is there. Before Y, what it is? O is there. O is vowel. So we'll add S in that. Boys. Key is there. Again E is vowel. Before Y, we will add S. Keys. Toy is there. What we will add? S. Toys. Clear? Now in the image also you see, if the word ends in Y and there is vowel before it, we will add S. Toy is there. Before Y, what it is? O. So we'll add S in the last. So toy, plural form will be toys. Proceeding further, next rule is, some nouns do not follow any rules. They form plurals directly, okay, by changing the inside vowel and vowels. They do not follow any rules. Here the example: man, men; woman, woman, woman; mouse, mice; tooth, teeth. Okay, so the inside vowel is changed to make plural form. So here in the image you see, one tooth is there, T-O-O-T-H, double O is vowel. Okay, vowels are there. Now we will see plural form is teeth. So many teeth are there. Tooth is there. So many tooth will combine and make teeth. Singular is tooth and plural form of tooth is teeth. Okay. The next rule is, by putting en or ren at the end. Examples we'll see: ox, oxen; child, children. So in the ox you see, it is en is added at the end. So ox is singular form, oxen is plural form. Child means one child. Okay. So child we will call singular form. Children means more than one child. Now you see in the image, one girl is there. So we are denoting one person, that is child. Now next you see, one boy and one girl is there, means children. They are denoting two person. So children is there. So what we have added at the last? ren. So child plural form is children. Next we will see compound nouns form plural by adding s or en. Compound noun you have studied when you were seeing the slides of noun chapter. Once again I am recalling, compound nouns are nouns which have two or more words are combining together. That two words can be two noun also, noun and adjective also, as I have given before in the noun slides. Toothbrush was there, okay, blackboard was there. So black plus board together form compound noun, blackboard. So here also, father-in-law, to compound noun is there, father-in-law is a compound noun. Plural form will be, we have added s in father, fathers-in-law. Man of war. So man, we know plural form is men, so men of war. We have added en. So man, plural form is men. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you all have enjoyed my presentation. Have a nice day.